Hi everyone, welcome to Jan's page. As you know, in London, the winters are long and especially cold. Mostly during morning and night, the car windscreen is covered with moisture and fogged up, which gives you poor visibility or no visibility at all. During this condition, it is very dangerous to drive. So one of the best ways to tackle this problem was to use a car dehumidifier bag. We can buy this online, but I got it from Aldi. It is environmentally friendly. You can reuse it again and again by putting it in the microwave. You get the instructions leaflet inside the box. You can see and do it. It is very easy. No more wasting time drying the windscreen. This does the job easily, and your car is always ready for driving. You can use this in car, boats, houses, and so on. It really works for me. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.